This morning while I was putting books away, I heard the door open and I heard a little voice say, "Miss Grace, I don't think this is supposed to happen." And I came around the corner to find her twisting the page in one of the books. I chuckled. I realized immediately that this wasn't actually a library book, and I said, "Is it one of your classroom books?" And she said, "Yeah." And I said, "Okay, I can fix it." And I didn't even think about the fact that it's sewn and that I can't actually fix sewn books in the same way. So I went and asked the teacher later, "Hey, I'm going to have to cut the book apart to fix it. Is that okay?" And she's like, "Well, am I going to be able to use it still?" And I said, "Yeah, absolutely." And she said, "Absolutely, cut it apart." So here we are, 5:30 after school, and I'm about to do something that you are all going to hate, but it's going to repair the book. I'm going to take all of the stitching out. All of it, yes, all of it. I'm going to cut each one of these pages in half, and then I'm going to glue all of them inside of the book. Let's do it. Here goes nothing. Okay. Oh, there's one more bit of pages. Okay. Got the pages cut out. Next. Okay, now that all of the pages are cut out of the book, I'm just making sure that I get all of the little stringies here, and then I'm gonna use a sanding block for the edges of the pages here. I need a text block holder or something for this kind of thing, but oh well. Okay. Got a mask, clearly. Okay. That's a little better. So those are done. Now I need to go in and fix this area right here because this is really, really old glue right here in the middle. Do you see? Oh wow, that's just coming right off. Okay. Okay. We've got the pages of the book. We've got the book. I let that sit for too long, so now I have to let it reheat. Okay. Got that. I have this very long piece of glue from earlier, and it is quite literally the perfect width. So now I'm just cutting it for it to be the right size. I'm putting this in the right way, right? Okay. In we go. Okay. So now we're gonna do the good old-fashioned tapping method to make sure that everything makes it precisely to where I want it to in here. Okay. Literally perfect timing. All right. In we go. And back down. Although after 3 minutes of running, I'm not gonna lie, I'm actually pretty curious. Is the glue melting at all? Huh, the glue is melting. The glue is melting, okay? Do you see that? The glue is melting. Just take a breath, it's fine, I promise. I know you're anxious because the glue's melted and the book's not in place. It's gonna be fine. I'm gonna stick it right back, except for I don't even think it needs to run anymore. I'm just putting it in there to cool for like 10 minutes. I think we can throw some tape on there. I think this worked. Okay. Let's see what's going on here. I'm pretty sure that we have a book to read here. I feel quite proud of it if it actually worked. We can still lay almost completely flat. We did lose a little bit of our, you know, the picture could look better. That being said, we have a book with no pages falling out, right? Sure enough. Okay, so then we are gonna seal this with some clear, this is actually technically spine tape. I don't care, doesn't matter. I use it for this. And I'm really just sealing it for the sake of like making sure there's really no edge there that anybody can get to. I wish that would have laid down better. This would have been a perfect repair. It didn't, and it's okay, because it's not the end of the world, but I wish it would have. Okay, there's one side. Maybe this other side will be better. All right, there we go. Completely cut apart, changed the binding, and put back together in 20 minutes plus a little bit of, you know, waiting time in between. Not bad.